How to fix Play Store not working in phone 4a. First of all, clear cache and data. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search Play Store. Now click on Play Store. Scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see two options, clear cache and clear storage. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache, and if you want to clear storage, then click on clear storage and click on delete. After click on delete, this app data, included files and setting will be permanently deleted from this device. Now go back. After that, check network. After check network or internet, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, update all apps. Open Play Store, scroll down, click on your profile, scroll down, click on manage app and device, click on update available and click on update all. After click on update all app will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Play Store not working in phone 4a. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.